Hey guys, Brian here from Liquid Concepts. So today we're going to be talking a little bit about our custom film. So this is our cash money rose pattern. Really great pattern to work with. Really a lot of detail. It's pretty much $100 bills in more of a rose style pattern. Really cool pattern to play around with. And also you can even do, in this case, since it is a black and clear, you can throw a white down to make it look like this. You can even throw a green down and make it look more like a real money. Or I believe we actually do have this in the green version of it looking like a real money pattern. So we're going to go ahead and get started on this. So we've got our speed shape here. We're going to cut this down right here. We'll just cut it right in the middle there just to kind of, maybe we want to dip some more of it here. But one thing that's neat, that's nice about the custom film is that you can size it to any size that you want. So if you wanted this rose to be 2 inches, or you want it to be 3 inches around, you can certainly do that. And so that's the nice thing about the custom printing, is that you're able to have infinite size choices available other than the max width of the film, which is normally about 48 inches wide. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take and kind of put tape down on these 2 edges here, and so essentially that'll help in getting it in the water and preventing it from rolling up as much. And so the other thing that you want to make sure of is that whenever you're pulling it back off of the paper backing, because this is the paper backing right here, you just want to make sure that you pull it off just like this, and you pull it pretty much 180 degrees away from itself. And so because it is pretty humid here, the film is already starting to stick. So if you do have a climate controlled environment or something like that, you should be able to get really good results. If you don't, then you're going to have to try to get it in the water as quickly as you can without getting a lot of the humidity going into it or anything like that. So blow that little bubble out right there. Alright, so everything's looking good. Specs on the tank, we've got 80 to 90 degrees. We're running at about 85 right now, so perfect temperature. And we got our film set on the water. Again, it's going to be sitting for about 60 seconds, and then we're going to be ready to go. So I'm going to grab some gloves on, we'll get our speed shape, and then we'll get started. Alright, so we're going to be spraying this with the Liquid Concepts activator. You can use others if you'd want, but that's normally what we recommend on all of our custom film. It's going to be the Liquid Concepts activator. You can also check it out in the link below, and if you have any questions on it, definitely give us a call. So as far as activating wise, we've already got 60 seconds on there. So we're just going to take and do one quick pass, or one medium pass, I'm sorry, and right across it. And so we've got a very nice and smooth glassed out film. Everything looks good. And so we've got our speed shape here, and we'll go ahead and dip this in. Again, you want to be at about a 45 going all the way down into the water, just to prevent any trapped air or anything like that. Once we've got it dipped, we'll pull it out, and there you go. That is your cash money rose pattern, available at Liquid Concepts. And if you have any questions or comments, definitely post them below. We'd love to hear from you guys. And if you if you do want to purchase the film, the links are also in the description below. So definitely check those out, and subscribe. As always, we always put out great videos. We're trying to make hydrographics great again. So continue to follow us, and we'll catch you guys later.